Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my page. I am Sandhanika Tiwari and I post videos on nutrition, fashion and lifestyle. I'm a nutrition student and all the information that I share on my page is well researched and very informative. So in case you like my videos and you want to know what Atkins diet, please keep on watching. First thing first, what is Atkins diet? Atkins diet is one of the major diets which help you to lose weight in a constructive way. It is one of the top diets for maintaining as well as weight loss programs alongside keto diet and intermittent fasting. But this is superior, I will say, in my opinion, better compared to the other two. Why? Because it includes or it has a variety of food sources through which you can choose. Again, it also depends on the same principle like the keto diet. Here we would be cutting down on carbohydrates and increasing the quantity of protein, moderately high fats and fiber. The first phase is the weight loss or the induction phase, where we would be losing a large chunk of weight by excluding carbohydrates to the extreme point, only 20 gram per day. The ideal is 100 gram minimum, and we are going to put it down to 20 gram per day. Our main sources of food that we would be taking at this point is protein like eggs eggs or chicken. For vegetarians, paneer. You can go for soybean and these sources. Let me brief you up on as to how we will proceed with the Atkins diet. First thing, there are four phases in the Atkins diet. First is in the induction phase. Induction phase is the phase where you will be losing down on your weight maximum. So for example, your weight loss is, you want to do a weight loss for 15 kilo as per the dietitian or the nutritionist. So if you want to do 15 kilo or say 16 kilo, your weight loss here should be ideally, if it is 16 kilo, it should be 9 kilos. Okay, so that is the ideal weight loss that will happen during this phase. So if your target is 16 kilos, you would be losing around 9 kilos here. Then in this phase, we will be cutting down or avoiding carbohydrates to the thither. Okay, for vegetarians, you may include legumes, though legumes and pulses are also a source of carbohydrate only, partial, but not partial, majorly a source of carbohydrate and lesser source of protein. But since there will not be much options available, hence we will be sticking to legumes twice a week. Then we were for non-vegetarians, you can definitely go for eggs, you can go for fish, you can go for chicken, you can go for pork, depending on what your preference is. And you will be going for moderately high fat. For example, you can go for cheese, you can go for ground nuts, you can go for almonds and things like that. Here we'll go for high fiber things. High fiber in the sense you can go for some fruits which are good in fiber. Now, after this phase, we go into the next phase is the balancing phase. Here, slowly we will be adding carbohydrates. In the first phase, that is your induction phase, your carbohydrates went down to 20 gram per day. But now slowly what we do is we introduce carbs, we introduce high fiber fruits, so that again your vitamin and mineral loss जो हो रहा था वो कम हो जाए. And similarly there is also increment in energy. Please remember that exercise has to be followed in all the phases, all the four phases that we telling you, two of which we have discussed earlier. Now, the third phase and what you're going to eat, I will tell you all towards the end of the video. What you can eat, what you can exclude, and please let me know if you would want to see my what's in a day and what I eat on a daily basis. Then I'd love to do that for you guys anytime. Okay, so the third phase is your fine tuning phase. At this point, we've understood that you've lost quite a chunk of your weight and now your weight loss will be slower down. Okay, so the weight loss process will come, if it was, say, in the initial phase, if you've lost, say, 9 kilos, or in the next phase, now you will be losing, say, 2 kilos. So your weight loss will actually slow down this time. Here, exercise will be your main motto and working out so that you get into the shape that you want. When you lose weight and getting into shape are two very different concepts. When you lose weight, what happens is that from different parts of your body, you'll just shrink. But when you maintain your weight and you get into a flexible or you become active, you do certain exercises, you get into a certain shape, you'll have your muscles toned, your body toned, and hence this is the phase where you'll be toning your body. The last phase, which is okay, so the last phase is your maintenance phase, where you just have to maintain your weight and not bother on anything else, because you've learned the lifestyle, you've understood the importance of diet and how you have to maintain your weight now. So how long you would be performing this would depend on your weight loss goal. For example, if you want to lose 16 kilo in your induction phase, you would be losing 9 kilo, and similarly as you go down through the different phases, your weight loss would be reducing. Now, what you should be including and what you should not be including. What you should be including are protein rich food such as eggs, your fish, meat, chicken, mutton. What you should not be including, however, are your carbohydrate rich sources like roti, rice. You should be avoiding them. But for vegetarians, a slight amount of pulses is fine, because otherwise there would not be any other source apart from paneer and soybean. So please go for them. Then what you should be avoiding is dalda, your other non-good source of carbohydrate like rice, roti. You should be avoiding them for some period like the induction phase, and depending on protein sources to get your requirement. Now also high carbohydrate rich fruit like banana, like mango should be avoided during that phase. Even grapes for that matter should be avoided during your induction phase. Slowly with time, as you reach the maintenance phase, you can definitely go for them. Now, what sample would I suggest? If you would want me to suggest a sample, please let me know in the comment section. I would love to post them. And what's if you would like to see my what's in my day and what I eat in my day, please let me know about that also, and I would love to post about those videos as well. So in case you've liked the video and you found it informative and worth spending your time here, and you like coming and watching my videos, please do hit the likes button and subscribe to my channel. It really motivates me to make more such videos. Thank you.